Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you meet prerequisites, logged into Steam with SteamGuard active and inventory visible. Once done, scan your card list and pick which cards to move. This saves time when building offers. Make sure to set clear goals, whether you want cash, market credit, or specific items, so you don't haggle later. Start the exchange interface now and choose Create Offer to place your selected cards into the trade window. You will now assemble the trade. Drag your chosen cards into the offer, and then add the items or cash you expect in return, or use Market Sale to set a price. Once done, consider preparing alternative offers to increase acceptance chances. That means varying card combinations or prices. Make sure to inspect fees and trade holds and confirm recipient identity. When everything looks right, send the offer and wait for the other party to. You finish by approving the offer from your Steam mobile app or web confirmation. This completes the transaction. After acceptance, verify items arrived and funds were processed, and note any holds or delays. If a counteroffer appears, decide quickly and update terms. If something goes wrong, first try simple fixes, relaunch Steam, clear cache, and re-authenticate. If that fails, gather the trade ID and consult Steam support so you can resolve holds, reversals, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.